secret weapon this weekend.
Get him! Fucking gas! Get the gas!
Are we recording? Yes, we are!
Alright, boys!
Just hold.
Goes till 7 p.m. and again Sunday 3 p.m. So
Come on,
If this is still alive after, I'm telling you.
This is our secret weapon. It's a prototype. We're calling it Seek Hunt.
Seek and hunt. Seek, hunt.
Version 2.0.
2.0 so it's a good one.
Oh my god, I found the hole.
What do you reckon?
Oh, nice.
Are we here fucking fishing trip for like 3
Are we here for 2 weeks? It's so fucking morning. Perfectly cooked.
You gotta go with your skin, bro.
And what is it, Supreme?
I think so, yeah.
Yep.
Yeah,
With extra cheese, by the way.
Great.
Good work, mate.
Good work. Yeah, right, look at this. You see his red hull up in the sky, then he disappears.
Are you amongst all those blokes?
Yeah, Evo's on a troll so hard skirt. Fish on, Bill.
Better not be a jelly bean.
Yeah, I know, right? Steve on again. Oh, similar size. Fish is a fish. Good job, man. Big lure. Did it help you, I think? 160. Troy's real deal tackle bloody gaff's getting a workout, eh? Step back, Jay, to shorten your rod. Just hold, you're right. Just hold. Ah, true. There might be a better fish. Yeah, better fish for sure. Nice, Shay. Just drag him across here. Good work, Jay. Okay, just watch your fingers on those trebles, man. Grab the gaff. I'll get your photo. Proper bus stops. Birds. Birds everywhere. We're gonna go upwind and then bloody drift back, yeah? Holy shit, there's birds everywhere. Still on, Steve? Oh, tuna! You on? Tuna! Fuck yeah! Let me get out the way. I'm on 2. Let's go, boys! Oh! I'm on 2. Come on! I'm on 2. Look up. Beauty!
Oh, it's a decent one. I've got a decent one.
I reckon, yeah, someone down. Is he gonna hold on, mate? Nice, Jay.
Oh fuck, there's a big
Are we recording? Yes, we are.
Alright, boys. Get him! Fucking gas!
Get the gas!
But I'm nearly there, hang on. Oh, come on, come on.
Jay, go, let me go.
Oh shit! Get the fucking gas!
Yeah.
It's the Ripper!
Same with mine. I'm on 10 kilo line, boys.
Oh, come on, man!
Joey for the cord.
I've got yours, Jay.
Yeah!
Hold stick.
Oh!
Right. Pull one in, Jay.
That's a fucking not all, boys!
Oh!
Down.
Jay,
Oh! You okay?
hold your line.
Yeah.
Watch that. Watch
Alright,
that.
yours. Yours.
Good way! Whoa!
I'm finishing my rap, boys.
You still got the rough things. Yeah, that's awesome.
Oh, man.
Watch out for the camera.
Alright. Pliers.
Up here, on my left. Watch for those trebles, boys. Be careful.
Yeah, okay. There's
Big birds, big bust ups.
decent size.
This is light line too, man.
Triple hook up.
This is my snapper rod.
Jay's on his snapper rod. It's a big mackerel he's got, so just hang in there, bro.
Oh shit.
Let him run, let him run.
Alright.
Yeah, the boys.
Do you get me quickly before you run? Skills. Not better? Oh man!
Nice.
Hell yeah! That's a big model, hey?
Yeah, this one.
Triple hook up.
Well done, lads. Good job.
Give me a photo, mate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thought I'd do a quick tour around the camp. Got the boat here. Cars along there. This is our kitchen. Jay's got the fridge going with a generator. Secret weapon this weekend. Jay's doing some modifications on the dildo lure.
Unseat cunt.
3 bedrooms. The 2 kids' beds and adults' beds. Pizza oven. Coffee machine.
Got to come out. Yep, that's it. Beautiful.
Take us straight.
That's
Top of the
right.
salad.
Nice, lads.
What's that shit?
It's a bit of teriyaki, mate.
No. So fresh.
Very nice.
It's a dead one. I hope it's dead.
Oh no!
Yuck.
Oh no!
Is that?
Was he already dead? He's not moving.
Yeah.
Oh, poor thing. Just got the one. Nah, close to 5. And then we just stopped to Burley to see if there was any more, but nah, nothing. That's wicked. Fish on! Yeah, that's tuna. I'll get him by the mouth and we'll fish him now.
Fucking GSH.
I'll scout it on the side, yep.
Yes!